Today I thought I was going to be in for an easy job installing my new radiator into the Red W124 project. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. I made a nasty discovery that, for some reason, I hadn't noticed until now. I did know that the front original bumper was smashed at the bottom. That's why I ended up buying a replacement one from Europe. But that bar that the radiator and condenser sits on has actually been pushed up by about 1 inch. So at some stage, this car has run over kind of a medium-sized animal, and obviously in doing so, it has crushed that bar in the upward direction. I have still kept the original bumpers simply because I am too lazy to dispose of them, but that is the damage there. That bottom section is basically completely broken off and just holding on. And with this damage, the radiator sits too high now. So I need some suggestions. How am I going to bend that bar down without disassembling the entire front of the car again? I really don't want to do that. Whether I use the jack or the engine stand and chains, I don't know what to do at this stage. I have to think about it. So I need some suggestions. How am I going to bend that bar down? I don't weigh enough to do it myself. I need some mechanical assistance.